What is going on, guys? It is your boy Pure Ghost, and today I am unboxing some Jabra Elite 65T, and I believe these are the Actives. Yep, the Elite Active 65T, as you see. They're wireless earbuds. Apparently they're rated higher than Apple's Airpods, so we're going to see if they're good or not. So I'm going to take them out of the bag really quick. So this is what we get. We got the paper. Obviously, this is I bought these as refurbished because they were like $50 cheaper than buying brand new, and there ain't really nothing wrong with it. So we got a USB cord to charge them, to charge the case with. Obviously, we got, it looks like another set, which I don't even use these. Normally my ears fit the preset one. And then we got a booklet for a 2-year warranty. So, and it also has an app, which you can set your things at, your settings, your sound. There's like a listen through setting, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop the case open. It might take 2 hands. Yeah, hold on. So there we go. I got the case popped open. As soon as I opened it, there was a little green light there in the middle that turned on. It looks like they're already like falling out. So here we go. Here's one of them. So I guess when you open the case, they already turn on. That's what it looks like. So I guess they're probably searching for a device. I got to turn my Bluetooth on. Here's the left one. Obviously, they pretty much look the same. And apparently with these, they have 4 microphones. So like when you're on the phone or whatever, it takes from 4 different microphones on the mouthpiece, which is pretty cool. Now I gotta look at what all these lights mean. I'm pretty sure they're just searching for a device to connect to. They're like glowing different colors. So yeah, I gotta read this, but yeah, apparently they're IP67 waterproof. Not waterproof, water resistant, so that's like in the rain. Not much water, but I heard that people have been using these in the shower and it's actually just been fine. So hopefully hopefully they're pretty good when it comes to that. But yeah, here the Jabra Elite Active 65T. I picked them up on eBay. You can find them probably even cheaper than what I paid. I paid like $130. But yeah, we're gonna test these out. It's been your boy Pure Ghost, and I'm out.